Hello, and thank you so much for your interest in Acme outreach. At Acme, we believe everyone deserves to feel clean, comfortable, and cared for. At the heart of our work is a simple but powerful mission: to bring comfort, confidence, and care to every person we serve. Thanks to the incredible support of 20 dermatology clinics, 2 dental practices, and countless generous donors, we've distributed over $15,000 worth of hygiene products to more than 5,000 people in underserved communities. Each box includes a pamphlet with easy to understand hygiene tips, helping individuals manage common skin and dental conditions using the products inside. Let's take a look at what's inside our care packages and how each item supports dignity, health, and well-being. We provide floss, cotton swabs, and a travel toothbrush to help maintain oral hygiene, small tools that will make a big difference in both health and confidence. For our dermatology products, we have La Roche-Posay Lipicard Cleansing Oil, a gentle cleanser that soothes and nourishes oily, sensitive skin. We have CeraVe Salicylic Acid Lotion, which treats rough, bumpy skin with salicylic acid. We have Avene Clearance Medicated Gel, ideal for oily, acne-prone skin. CeraVe Daily Moisturizing Lotion for all-day lightweight hydration. We have Head & Shoulders Shampoo to relieve itchy scalp and prevent dandruff. We have Neutrogena Collagen Bank 35 SPF packets for daily sun protection for those spending excessive time outside. And last, we have Amlactin Healing Lotion, which deeply hydrates dry and rough skin, especially for those living outdoors or in unstable housing. Whether you're a donor, a volunteer, or simply someone who believes in helping others, your support helps us deliver care, confidence, and dignity, one package at a time. Reach out today, and together we can make a lasting impact.